I will always live here. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, brothers, Habibis. Thank you, thank you. Wow! Thank you, Eric, for the 500 stars. Wow, Paldo.
Airdrop has been delivered.
There might be some good supplies this way.
There might be some
Paldo
good
na
supplies
naman
this
yun
way.
nga ni... Kaano-ano mo po si Roxanne Barcelo. Bale, parehas po kami ng apelyido at tita ko daw siya. Pero hindi ko sure. Parang kwentong barbero yung tatay ko. Mahina yung sound kasi nga guys, bag yung chopper sound.
Yung chopper.
Grabe. Minsan, gusto
Ako
ko
makatingin.
Grabe nga ni. Thank you so much, David and Diaz. Thank you. You're so generous, guys, ha? Thank you.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Parang Indonesia na naman yung nagbigay sa akin.
Tanong mo, where are you from?
Where are you from, David? Look, meron ka ba AR? Sige nga, loot tayo. Loot pa
There might be
tayo.
some good supplies this way. Never mind. The airdrop is coming.
AR tayo? Gusto mo AR?
Wala akong bala.
AR ammo.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Ay, sinusundan tayo, oh. Sinusundan tayo ng chopper. Chopperism.
Sabi mo not a problem.
Okay, sige. Not a problem. Not a problem at all.
Grabe, inaantok ako.
Engaging the enemies. Never mind.
Jibu.
Location exposed.
Enemy vehicle is nearly done for.
Ay, kinuha
The airdrop
na.
is coming.
Dropped. Airdrop has been delivered.
Taguro.
Never mind. Never mind.
Look.
Uy, ang layo mo, Blue.
You can still return.
Low yan, low. Low yan,
The
low.
safe zone is
Lang
collapsed.
malayo ako.
Yung naglulut sa akin. Go, go, Flo. Let's go!
Airdrop has been delivered.
Ay, so kaya mo yun, sabi ko na eh.
Your teammate has scanned your dog tag. Wait for the revive flight.